Today, I'll show you how to change the kit numbers in Ultimate Team on FC25. So launch the game and go to Ultimate Team, select that. Then use the R1 or the L1 button and go to club, or alternatively you can use the L2 button. Press the L2 button and select club, and then select enter squad. Now from here you have to press the L3 button. So the L3 button on the controller is just press in the left analog stick. That's the L3 button. So from the options that appear, scroll down and find kit numbers, select that, then choose the player you'd like to change the kit number for. So for instance, this player, so select him, and then flick your left analog stick right or left and choose the kit number you desire. So let's choose this kit number, select that, and you can do the same for all the other players that you wish. So let's change for this one. And you can do the same with other players. So once done, exit and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.